Hi guys, welcome back to Catty Beauty. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare catfish pepper soup. So if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, I would like you to click that red subscribe button, give this video a like, and also turn the bell notification to always get notified once I upload a new video. So let's get into the cooking. So I've already washed my fish into a pot. So here I'm going to be adding my ingredients, starting with salt, and the rest of it I'll be writing on the screen.